pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Good morning, everyone. I heated up my coffee from yesterday, and I'm still in my PJs, and I need to make a video. And the reason I need to do that is because I'm going to tell you the reason why I decided to do this. I have not heard from some of my subscribers that I used to have a good relationship with in a while. And I reached out to some of them, and I was like, at first, it was, well, I've been so busy. And I'm like, okay, I understand. But I seen them in live streams and said hello to them where they ignored me. And I really feel, in your gut when something isn't right. And I feel that there are people literally talking about me behind my back. And whether they have assumptions or what, they haven't come to me and said anything. So there's nothing there that I can rectify. But I can promise you I have not done anything to hurt anyone. And never would I intentionally at all. And this has really got to me because I care deeply about those that I thought were my friends and everyone that has been on my channel. I don't really call you guys subscribers. I call you my gems. I call you my friends. So be mindful of who says what, because if I haven't hurt you directly in any way, why would you take someone else's word about something? I would really caution you to be careful. If someone talks bad about another person to you, they're going to do it about you. And I have had plenty of people call me and vent, and I've never said anything to anyone about it. Me, I don't like to talk about anybody. I really don't. If there's nothing that I could say to them, I wouldn't say it behind their back. I've tried to be a good friend, an encourager, and to build on YouTube. And I like doing that. This is something that I'm considering a second career with. So it's super important to me that you guys know that I'm here to stay. I'm here for real, and I am not the type of person to hurt anyone, to cause any drama, and I don't like being sucked into it. So I am just pleading with you, for those of you that are spreading rumors, please stop it. I mean, seriously, we are all adults. There's no reason in the world, especially if you have an issue with me. You should come to me if it's something that you want to rectify. But if it's not something you want to rectify or talk to me about, then stop talking. There's just no reason in the world that you need to mess with me and my channel. I'm looking at this as another career opportunity. And if you're slandering me, that's going to get in the way of what I want to do. And I want to help people with makeup tutorials. I want to do reviews. I'm always looking to try things new. And yes, I separate myself from others a lot of the time. And it's because of things like this. I'd rather do a lot of things on my own or help out smaller channels than work with people that I know something's not right with. And like I said, you know it in your gut. Something's wrong. They're picking apart something. They're looking at something a specific way. They are either, who knows? I have an idea of what it is and where it's coming from. And I'm not going to say anything about that, but I am going to talk to you guys, the ones that are my subscribers, my friends, my gems, the ones that have walked away from my channel. If you're watching this, please be mindful of what people are saying to you. If I haven't done anything to personally hurt you, I would highly, 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 highly suggest rethinking on how this is affecting me, because it's not right and it should not continue. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The only thing that I ask for is prayers at this time. I will be praying for everyone. I do not dislike anyone. And even with this going on and knowing that someone is intentionally trying to hurt me, I still will end up praying for whoever that person is, because it's just, life is not worth these little petty things. It's not what life's supposed to be about. And there's so much else going on in this world that we should be focusing on building each other up, talking each other up. And if you have, I mean, not everybody's going to like your personality. And if that's it, you don't like my personality, then I can totally understand that. And there's no hard feelings there. I don't have any hard feelings towards anyone, even the ones that have hurt me, even the ones that have said things publicly online. That's, if that's something you want to put out there, that's fine. But I am definitely going to defend myself every time something like this happens. And, I was approached by a channel that wanted to put out a story about people bullying me. And I said, no, you know what? Because they really felt that I was being bullied. And apparently they've seen some things in people's lives that, and other, I guess, messages that I didn't. And I definitely didn't want to know about them, but I declined it because I don't want it out there. I don't want drama. I don't. I just want you, if you've been on my channel before and you unsubscribe to me and you don't like my content, that's totally fine. But if you unsubscribe to me because of something somebody else said, I feel horrible about that. And I'm not going to ask you to come back. But what I'm going to ask you is just be mindful of what people are filling your head with. That's all that I ask. Okay, guys, for those of you that love me and care about me, thank you so very much for taking the time to watch this video. I know I've got some staining on my eyes because I was doing some eye looks with some new palettes that I can't wait to share with you guys. But I just want to say, may you all be blessed, and I will see you guys real soon in a happier video.